In this video, I'll detail how to change required password for AirPlay receiver on iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 18. So if you already set a password for people to share or stream their Apple Vision Pro to your iPhone screen, then you may change the password and set the new password. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is this. Go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down. Click on General. Then scroll down and locate AirPlay and continuity and click on that. Now once you selected that, scroll down. You should see set AirPlay password once required password is enabled. Then tap this. Then here is your existing password, but you cannot see it. To set a new password or change the AirPlay password on your iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 18, just like this. And type in the new password. Once you type in the new password, go ahead and click on OK. Then that's going to set the new password for any Apple Vision Pro device that is trying to screen share or share to your iPhone screen. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.